What people have searched the most on my YouTube channel is easy, healthy, high protein breakfast ideas. So today I'm going to share 4 chia pudding recipes which are perfect breakfast ideas. Beetroot moong sprout chia pudding, coconut cucumber chia pudding are the savory flavors, and fruit and nut chia pudding and coffee chia puddings are the sweet flavors. All these chia puddings are super easy to make and you need not to wait overnight to prepare them. So let's get started, but do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To prepare all 4 flavors of chia pudding, we have to do minimalistic preparation. For that, I'm taking 1 cup of water. To that, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Stir the chia seeds well in water. It should not float on the top layer and should be very well incorporated into the water. And then cover the jar and let them soak for an hour or at least 30 to 40 minutes. After that, the chia seeds will get the jelly structure like this. Now let's prepare the first flavor, moong sprouts and beetroot chia pudding. For that, I'm going to steam the veggies. I'm adding carrots, that is 50 gram of carrots, 20 gram of beetroot and 50 gram of sprouted moong. Now close the strainer and let the veggies steam there for at least 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low flame. If you don't want to steam the veggies, you can simply grate them in the yogurt to prepare the chia pudding. But if you're feeling constipated after eating raw food, then steaming them is the best option. Now I'm taking 200 gram of fat-free yogurt. To that I'm adding 1/3 cup of soaked chia seeds. And to that, I'm adding steamed veggies and moong sprouts. I let them cool down for a few minutes and after that, I'm adding them to the yogurt. And now to make chia pudding more flavorful, I'm adding some Indian spices like kala namak, chaat masala, cumin powder, and finely chopped green chili. Along with that, I'm also adding fresh mint leaves from my herb garden and some salt as taste. Mix everything very well. Make sure the flavors are properly incorporated to the veggies and the yogurt. And now I'm going to prepare tadka for my chia pudding. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and to that I'm adding half teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 3 to 4 curry leaves and 5 grams of raw peanuts. Now roast everything for 5 minutes because my pan is wide and the oil is too less, so it will take a bit of time. But if you are using more oil and a narrow pan, then it will take less time. Now the tadka is ready and I'm going to add it over my beetroot chia pudding. What a beautiful chia pudding and full of flavors. If you want to do the meal prep, you can do the same by excluding salt to it and store it in a jar for 2 to 3 days in refrigerator, and here's your meal prep breakfast chia pudding is ready. This is super delicious. Now let's go and prepare the next flavor, that is cucumber and coconut chia pudding. Take 200 grams of fat-free yogurt in a bowl. To that I'm adding 1/3 cup of chia seeds. Fat-free yogurt is full of protein. It has approximately 20 grams of protein in it, so it makes this breakfast high protein. And I'm also adding grated cucumber along with some cucumber juice and coconut to it. I'm also adding some roasted peanuts and green chilies to it. After that, I'll add some spices like homemade kala namak and some chaat masala and some black pepper powder. Here comes 2 more spices, salt and roasted cumin powder, and now mix everything very well to incorporate flavors of the spices, cucumber and coconut properly into the yogurt. To this chia pudding, I am not adding any tadka, but if you want, you can add the tadka same as beetroot and moon sprout chia pudding. I am pouring it to a jar because I am going to keep it as my snack for the evening. Yes, you can have it in the evening snack too. So I'm garnishing it with some fresh mint leaves, some sliced cucumber, and some chopped peanuts. As the name says, it's coconut cucumber, so I'm adding some grated coconut to it as well. And here is our chia pudding ready. It's another savory flavor, perfect for your breakfast, and you can have it in your snack as well. And now I'm going to prepare sweet chia pudding, which is one of my favorites. For that, I'm taking 200 grams of fat-free yogurt and I'm adding 1/3 cup of soaked chia seeds. The soaked chia seeds which you prepared at the beginning, you can make 4 different chia puddings with that. I'm going to sweeten this chia pudding with stevia, so I'm adding half teaspoon of stevia. If you want to sweeten it more, you can add 1 teaspoon. To that, I'm adding finely chopped peach, finely chopped apples, and some pumpkin seeds. And now mix everything very well to infuse the flavors of these fresh fruit into the yogurt. Chia pudding is ready, and before pouring it into the jar, I am wiping off it with a little bit of peanut butter. You can also use Biscoff spread or any other nut butter. And now I am pouring the chia pudding into the jar. And now I am garnishing it with some finely chopped pistachios, pumpkin seeds, tutti frutti. You can also add some fresh fruit like peach or apple to it, and our sweet chia pudding is ready. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days and use it as your breakfast. Now let's prepare the next flavor, which is coffee chia pudding. For that, I am taking 200 grams of fat-free yogurt, and to 2 tablespoons of milk, I am adding 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. If you want a strong flavor, you can add 2 teaspoons of coffee powder here and put that milk into the yogurt. To that, I am adding 1/3 cup of soaked chia seeds, stevia to sweeten the coffee chia pudding, and some finely chopped overnight soaked almonds. Mix everything very well. If you don't want it to use in that way, what you can do is you can put all these things in a blender and you can blend everything to make a smooth and creamy coffee chia pudding. But I like in this way, so I'm making it in this way. Now I'm going to pour the coffee chia pudding into a jar, and I'm going to keep this jar in the refrigerator, and I'm going to have it as a breakfast in the morning next day. People like to start their day with the coffee, and blending yogurt with the coffee gives this coffee chia pudding, which is a perfect breakfast for such kind of people. Now I'm going to garnish it with some sliced bananas, choco chips, and some chopped almonds or any other nut. If you want to add, you can add it here. So our coffee chia pudding is ready. So these are the 4 flavors of chia pudding, and I hope you like this video. Do comment and tell me which flavor you loved the most. Thanks for watching She Cooks Healthy, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.